Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the chapter 9 of geography. So, that is a chapter 9 about the life in the temperate grassland. This is a chapter about the grassland. Last chapter we have learned about the life of the. So, dear students, the forest referred to as the place where the trees are the main types of vegetation, while grassland defined as, as a region where plant life is dominated by the grass. Here is last chapter we have learned about the forest, and here we are learning about the grass. So this is the main type of vegetation. This is the main type of vegetation, while the grassland is defined as a region where the plant life is dominated. Plant life is dominated by the grasses. So grassland makes up almost a quarter of the total land surface. So grassland make the almost quarter of the total land surfaces. The climate and soil of the place determine the types of plant. Here we can see about the climate and the soil. Climate and the soil of a place determine the types of what kinds of plants are there, what types of grass is there. That is about that it determines. Climate plays important role the formation of the grassland. So my dear students, this is all about the climate. If the climate is okay, and the climate is depend how the grassland is formed. The world's grassland are divided on the basis of climate into two broad categories. Those occurs in the temperate region and those occur in the tropical region. Okay, this is also divided into two types. Okay, two parts. That is the temperate region. On those occur the tropical region and the occur of the temperate region. These are the two categories are they to temperate the grassland. Now we will see the parishes. My dear students, now again we will see about the forest we have learned. Now we are going to talk about how in the North America the parishes, this word came from the parishes organite from the Latin word. This word came from the Latin word, so which is mean meadow. So you know about the meadow because in last chapter we have seen what is the meadow, what is the cow, what is the ox. In that we have seen, and it is a region of a flat gently slope or a hill land. The most part of the parishes are treeless, but near the low-lying plains, flanking river valleys, wooded land can be found. So students, the most of the parishes are treeless. There is no tree, and there is no tree, but near the low-lying plants are over there. So the landscape of the region is dominated by the tall grass. It is dominated by the tall grass up to the two meter. Hence, it is called sea of grass. It is called sea of grass. The parishes are bound by the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Great Lakes in the east. So in USA, the area is drained by the tributaries of Mississippi, and the Canadian parishes are drained by the tributaries of the rivers. Okay, now the grassland of a parishes was the home of Native Americans, often called Red Indians. What is called? It is called Red Indians. The parishes were home of their other tribes are called the Alpec and the Crow, the Cree and the Pavin. Important city in the American parishes are so many are there. There is and The important cities of Canadian parishes are also there is a category and winning paid. Now we'll see about the climate. What is the climate over there? The parishes grassland is located in the heart of continent which has continent types of climate and extreme of temperatures. Okay, this is a heart of the continent. It is located, grassland is located in the heart of continent and which has continent type of a climate extremely there. The summers are warm with the temperature of around 20 centimeter centigrade, while in winter 20 centigrade has been recorded in the winning Canada. Now in winter time, a thick blanket of snow cover this region. Winter time, my dear student, the winter time, the thick of snow covers this region with the what? With the snow, okay? With the snow it covers this region. The annual rainfall is moderate and ideal for the growth of grass. A local wind blow here due to the advance of the north-south barrier. Now about the people, we'll see about the people. The people of this region are very hardworking people are they. They have successful harnessed technology to utilize their rich natural. Here people are very hardworking and they try in the new method to technology to utilize the rich natural resources. Two of the most developed countries in the world, that is USA and Canada. These are the two most countries, okay? Canada and USA are located in this region where the people are very hardworking, okay? And they try to find out the new technology to make use of the resources, natural resources to utilize, okay? The scientific methods, cultivation uses of tractors, harvesters and combine has made North America a surplus food producer. Now we can see the scientific reason. They found, so many scientists found out how to utilize the soil of this place and give the good harvest to the people and cultivate the land. So they uses the tractor, harvester or combine to make the North America as a suppliers of food. It is a supplies food for to the producer. The producers are also known as the grainers of the world due to the huge supplies of the wheat production. This America and then North America is the land with so much grain producer is there and they supplies to other countries too. So this is the wheat production of the country. Dairy farming is another major industry that extends from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic coast in the east. Dairy farming. Now dairy farming, you know what is the dairy. So dairy farming also is the industry is extend over there. Where? In North America. Dairy farming is extensive agriculture, both promote setting up the food producing industry. Both the things, the dairy and agriculture, these both the cultivating food producing industries are found in the North America. Large mineral deposit, particularly coal and iron, and good network road of railways and canals in this region have made the most industrious region in the world. Sorry. So in this place, particularly the coal and iron and and good network of roads, railways and the canals are found in this region and most of the industries. Now we will see about the whales. The Wales name was given by the Dutch, settled before the South America was colonized by the British people. This Dutch was formed by the before settlement before the South Africa was colonized by the British. The temperature grassland of South Africa are called the Wales. This is the South Africa temperature of the grassland of the South Africa is called Wales. Okay, what is a Wales? Wales is the temperature grassland of South Africa that is called Wales. They are rolling plates with the very high heights ranging of the 600 meter to 1100 meter. It lies in the southern hemisphere. So it is a boundary by the mountains of the east and the Kala Desert of the west. How Wales are located on the northeastern part, that is 18, and the highest more than 1600 meter in the some places. The tributaries of the river Orange and the Limpo drain in this region. Now about the climate. What is the climate of the North America and where the Wales is found? The Wales have a mild climate due to the influence of the Indian Ocean. Because of the Indian Ocean, what happens? The Wales have the mild climate, not so hot, not so, but it is a mild climate. Winter are cold and dry. Winter are cold and dry. Temperature vary between the 5 centigrade and the 10 centigrade. And July is the coldest month. It is the coldest month in July. Summer are short, warm, and so on. Sorry. The Wales receive rainfall mainly in the summer months from the November to February because of the warm ocean currents that wash the shores of the Wales. Here we can see the summer comes in the month of November to February, and because of the warm ocean currents to wash away the shore of the Wales. If the rain falls winter months from winter months start from the June till August, don't occur in this region. So my dear students, this chapter was about the life of the grassland, and we have seen about and we have learned about it. First we have learned about the forest, and now we have learned about the temperate of the grassland. Now we have finished the chapter, but dear students, now please try to learn properly because of your exam is coming very close. And so thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself and take care of your health. Okay.